Jah give strength, Jah give grace. Every step in this holy place. Roots remind me of my base. Trumpet calling from the hill so far. Dub echo shine like a morning star. Baseline rumble where the children are. Roots unite, near and far. Roots reggae keep me strong. Guide my heart when the night feels long. One love in every song. Rasta spirit carry on. In the breeze the palm trees sway. Riddim bless another day. Roots vibration lead the way. Rasta love forever stay. Rasta love forever stay.
Roots in the earth, mind in the sky, holding the moment, letting time pass by. In the silence, in the silence. No need to run, no need to hide. Everything flows from the inside. Heavy bass, gentle drum, all is one, all is one. Peace in the rhythm, peace in the sound.
Morning sunrise over Zion yard, dust on the road but me heart still strong. Elder man talk about the days gone hard, say keep the faith, just keep moving on. Children laugh while the drum beats slow, bassline roll like a river wide. Every step that me take me know, Jah light walking right by my side. Echoes from Zion yard, calling me name in the night. Echoes from Zion yard, still shining Jah holy light. Echoes from Zion yard, even when times feel rough. Echoes from Zion yard, teach me faith and teach me love. Oh, oh, oh. Old vinyl spin with a crackling sound. Truth in the words make the soul feel clean. City get loud but me stay unbound. Got roots in the earth, got fire within. Babylon pressure try mash me down, but me spirit stand firm and tall. From the hills to the ghetto town, Jah voice answer every call. Echoes from Zion yard, calling me name in the night. Echoes from Zion yard, still shining Jah holy light. Echoes from Zion yard, even when times feel rough. Echoes from Zion yard, teach me faith and teach me love. Slow drum talk to the soul inside, heartbeat match with the ancient sound. Every tear that me ever cried turn to strength when the truth is found. story must be told. Truth and peace worth more than gold. Roots reggae keep me strong, guide my heart when the night feels long. One love in every song, Rasta spirit carry on. Oh. Carry on. Oh. Morning sunrise on my face, Jah give strength, Jah give grace. Every step in this holy place, roots remind me of my base. Trumpet calling from the hills so far, the echo shine like a morning star. Bassline rumble where the children are. Roots unite near and far. Oh, roots reggae keep me strong, guide my heart when the night feels long. One love in every song, Rasta spirit carry on. Oh, carry on. Oh. In the breeze, the palm trees sway. Riddim bless another day. Roots vibration lead the way. Rasta love forever stay. Under the mango tree I sit, thinking about life and all of it. Jah give strength when the flame is lit. Roots man never quit. Root rising higher every day. Guide my steps along the way. From the struggles that we face, Jah love always stays. rhythm flowing like the tide. In my heart, your truth resides. Roots keep me fortified. Trumpet drifting on the hill. Bassline rolling deep and still. Drums like heartbeat, Jah fulfill. Roots vibration cure and heal. Rising higher every day. Guide my steps along the way. From the struggles that we face, Jah love always stays. Walking on wherever I roam. Rasta spirit bring me home. Roots forever in my bones. Never stand alone. Slow your breath. Feel the ground. Sink into the sound. Roots in the earth, mind in the sky, holding the moment, letting time pass by. In the silence, in the silence. No need to run, no need to hide. Everything flows from the inside. Heavy bass,
the sound. Breathe in the light, breathe out the way. Slow your body, calm your state. Feel the vibration in the air. Every sound is taking you there. Roots below and the sky above, moving in the rhythm of love. Sunshine deep in your soul. Let it all flow. Earth and spirit, one steady glow of shine. Healing through sound. Through sound. Close your eyes and drift inside. Let the bass be your guide. Every echo, every tone brings you back to where you belong. Slow down your mind. Open One heart, one sound, peace in the rhythm where we are found. One shout, breathe in the calm, breathe on the calm. In this moment we remain.
On a mango tree I sit, thinking about life and all of it. Jah gives strength when the flame is lit. Roots will never quit. Roots rising higher every day. Guide my steps along the way. From the struggles that we face, Your love always stays. Your love always stays. Your love always stays. Feel the breeze from the ocean side, rhythm flowing like the tide. In my heart, Jah truth reside. Roots keep me fortified. Trumpet drifting on the hill, bassline rolling deep and still. Drums like heartbeat, Jah fulfill. Roots vibration, cure and heal. Roots rising higher every day. Guide my steps along the way. From the struggles that we face, Jah love always stays. the road, but my heart's still strong. Elder man talk, but the day's gone hard. Say keep the faith, just keep moving on. Children laugh while the drum beats slow. Bassline roll like a river wide. Every step that me take, me know Jah light walking right by me side. Echoes from Zion yard, calling me name in the night. Echoes from Zion yard, still shining Jah holy light. Echoes from Zion yard, even when times feel rough. Echoes from Zion yard, teach me faith and teach me love. Old vinyl spin with a crackling sound. Truth in the words make the soul feel clean. City get loud but me stay unbound. Got roots in the earth, got fire within. Babylon pressure try mash me down, but my spirit stand firm and tall. From the hills to the ghetto town, Jah voice answer every call. Echoes from Zion yard, calling me name in the night. Echoes from Zion yard, still shining Jah holy light. Echoes from Zion yard, even when times feel rough. Echoes from Zion yard, teach me faith and teach me love. Slow drum talk to the soul inside. Heartbeat match with the ancient sound. Every tear that me ever cried turn to strength when the truth is found. Echoes from Zion yard, never fade, never gone. Echoes from Zion yard, singing freedom song by song. Echoes from Zion yard, roots run deep in the ground. Echoes from Zion yard, lost but now found.
calm your state. Sharp. Feel the vibration in the air. Every sound is taking you there. Roots below, the sky above. Moving in the rhythm of love. Sharp. Soul, let it all flow. Earth and spirit, one steady glow. Sharp. Healing through sound. Healing ringing through sound. Inside, let the bass be your guide. Every echo, every tone brings you back to where you belong. School. Slow down your mind, open your heart. Every frequency plays its part. Copy cool. We